Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We are going to look at the Lockwood 530. This one has a spinner on it, so Lockwood 530 knob and the Lockwood 930 lever. Both the same at the back, only difference is the lever. Let's change the cylinder. Alright, so we'll do the hardest one. Well, they're actually both identical, as you can see. Going to need circlip pliers. Okay, and I'm going to spread this circlip on the back here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install a new cylinder. So if you're a DIYer and you've got this lock and you want to put on a new cylinder but you don't want to have to rekey it or call somebody out, you can do this. So I've taken that circlip off, then pop that one there, then there's a little plate here, just give it a little bit of a lift. The other way a lot of people do it is they just grab this tail piece, pull it straight up like so, then you take off this round housing here like so, spinner like so, and then you can slide your cylinder out just like that. When you take it off, you've got this little piece of metal here. Now if you look at this piece of metal, it's the fins go out like this on either side. Okay, so we'll recycle that. Alright, then you get your new cylinder. We sell these with from Carbine or Brava part number for you, 5030SC6PKD, which means keyed to differ, but you can get them keyed like to us as well. The Carbine part number, because we also sell Carbine, they're exactly the same thing, C530-6SC. So yeah, basically they're made by different people, but it's the same cylinder, interchangeable. So I'm just going to slide that over the back of right there of the cylinder. I'm going to slide that little piece of metal over the back of the cylinder Bible, or top of the cylinder you can say. Slide it back in like so, same way it came out. Alright, then we're going to put our spin on, then we're going to put our shroud on, or collar, whatever you want to call it. Then we're going to slide this piece back in there, just check that it moves left and right. There we go. Put this piece back on. Now if you've done this correct, all this should fit back in. If it doesn't fit back in, then one of your parts might not be correct. Like right now I'm trying to put in, it's not moving. So I'm going to spin that around and try again. Okay, now it sits all the way flush. I can clearly see my circlip can go all the way around. So I'm just going to pop this circlip on the back, check that it's not loose and not going to let the knob come off, just like so, and we are done. That's how you change a 530 knob set and put in a brand new cylinder. That's the easiest way if you want to DIY. If not, you can change the pins, but that's how you do it. Same process for the Lockwood 530. Okay. Link to the products in the description if you wish to buy a cylinder and do it yourself. Thanks for watching.